Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Insights and Interface. In today's video, I will continue the UX UI Basics series and आज हम समझेंगे कि Figma क्या होता है. So, Figma is a design tool that helps the designers to create modern and beautiful designs for website and mobile apps and dashboards and many more. And it is used to create screens before develop the real app like as shown in the figure. Now let's move to another part. So what can you do in Figma? Like designers, what the different things they can do in the Figma? First, they can create wireframe. So wireframe is like a plain structure or simple layout of a product as shown in the figure. And the second one, they can design user interface with typography, colors, icons and more, जो कि सेकंड फिगर में दिखाया गया. एंड द थर्ड वन, दे कैन बिल्ड प्रोटोटाइप, interactive prototype to show how the product will work. And fourth one, this can collaborate with teams, like if you press share and you can collaborate with your teams for feedback quickly. Now why Figma is popular? So Figma makes the design process easy, fast and collaborative. How it make easy, fast and collaborative? So first of all, it's clean interface, easy to use interface for beginners and professional both, as shown in the figure. Like this, there is a separate tile, first for upper like text and others also, and there is a source dashboard and all. Second, it works in the browser, so we need not to download the app on your device, so that it can work anytime, anywhere. It supports real-time collaboration. Like if I am working on this project, I can connect with different team members at the same time, and us समय like we all comment on the project and feedback, so that we can quickly resolve this all. Fourth, it works with another tool. It connects other tools like Slack, Jira, Notion, and many more other tools. Fifth one is used by teams worldwide. Because of its easy, fast, and collaborative functions, this Figma is used by many teams worldwide, because like from startups to big companies, they love to Figma for its flexibility. So this is all about Figma. आगे की वीडियो में हम समझेंगे कि फिग्मा कैसे काम करता है प्रैक्टिकल वे में. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, एंड आपको अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो एक लाइक कीजिए, एंड चैनल से कनेक्ट रहने के लिए इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.